Is Protonmail's fortress-like security worth the trade-offs, or does Thunderbird's open-source flexibility make it the king of your inbox? Let's find out. First up, security. Protonmail shines with intoned encryption. This means your emails are scrambled from sender to recipient, keeping them private even from Protonmail itself. Step 1. Emails are encrypted on your device. Step 2. They remain encrypted in transit and at rest on Protonmail servers. Step 3. Only the recipient with the correct key can decrypt and read the message. Thunderbird, on the other hand, doesn't offer built-in intoned encryption by default. Step 1. You need to install the Enigmail extension or similar plugins like Mailvelope. Step 2. Manually configure these extensions to use PGP encryption. Step 3. Exchange public keys with your contacts for secure communication, which can be a bit technical for some. User experience. Protonmail boasts a sleek, modern interface that's easy to navigate, even for beginners. Step 1. Sign up for a Protonmail account through their website. Step 2. Log in and explore the intuitive inbox. Step 3. Compose emails, manage contacts, and customize your settings with ease. Thunderbird offers a more customizable experience. Step 1. Download and install Thunderbird. Step 2. Add your existing email accounts. Step 3. Customize the layout, add extensions, and tweak settings to your heart's content. It's a power user's dream, but might feel overwhelming for newcomers. So, the verdict: Protonmail is your go-to for ultimate security and ease of use, even though it comes with a cost. Thunderbird wins for customizability and being entirely free, but requires more technical know-how to set up proper encryption. Choose wisely, depending on your needs.